Myself Ashok, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about Openstack and Federation in Cloud. So first, see about Openstack. The Openstack project is an open source cloud computing platform for all type of clouds. Aims to be simple to implement, massively scalable, and future rich. Developers and cloud computing technologies from around the world create the Openstack project. Openstack provides an infrastructure as a service solution through a set of interrelated services. Each service offers an application programming interface, which is called API, that facilitates this integration. It depending on their needs. Administrator can install some or all services. OpenStack begins in 2010, in the year of 2010, as a joint project of Rackspace Hosting and NASA. In the year of 2012, it is managed by OpenStack Foundation. Now more than 500 companies have joined the project. The OpenStack system consists of several key services that are separately installed. So these services work together depending on your cloud needs and include the compute identity, networking, image, block storage, object storage, etc. The administrator can install any of these projects separately and configure them standalone or as connected entities. So in the figure, the relationship shows the relationship among the OpenStack services. See the figure, you can see the relationship between OpenStack services. And the next thing is federation in cloud. Federation in cloud, the main challenge is decentralized cloud environment. It consistent connectivity between untrusted components while remaining fault tolerant. Federated cloud ecosystem, connecting multiple cloud computing providers using common standard. The Geneva framework claims based access platform allows for multiple providers to interact. It enables developers to incorporate various authentication modules that will work with any corporate identity system. Include activity directory, then LDAP version 3 based directories, application specific databases, and new user centric identity models such as Live ID, Open ID, and InfoCard systems. Internet Engineering Task Force Standard Extendable Messaging and Presence Protocol and Inter-Domain Federation using the Jabber Extendable Communication Platform used by Google Talk, LiveJournal, then Earthlink, Facebook, OVO, Meebo, Twitter, the US Militants Corps. Non-XMPP technologies such as session initiation protocol, enterprise messaging system, IBM Lotus, sometime, and Microsoft's live communication server and offline communications server. So existing system of federation. The existing system is SOAP, HTTP, one-way information exchange, not real-time, won't scale, and often cannot clear the firewall. The XMPP, also called Jabber, with the software as a service. It provides a lot of services by Google, App, AOL, IBM, etc. So first see Jabber. Jabber is highly scalable, extendable, available, then device agnostic presence solution built in XMPP. It supports multiple protocols like session initial protocol for instant messaging and presence, leveraging extensions and instant messaging and presence service. Highly programmable platform is Jabber XCB. The advantages of XMPP is it is decentralized, it is based on open standard, and it is mature, robust, and it is flexible and designed to be extended. So it has two-way communication. It eliminates polling, rich publish, subscribe functionality, XML based and easily extendable, efficient, scale to millions of concurrent users on single service. Next, extendable use of XMPP and XCP. Federation differs from peering, which requires prior agreement between parties between server to, before a server to server link can be established. Federation has become de facto standard. Email systems federated dynamically through domain namespace setting and server configurations. There are 4 levels of federations. One is permissive federation, verified federation, encrypted federation, and trusted federation. Permissive federation means server accepts the connection from a peer network server without verifying its identity or using DNS lookups or certificate checking. Verified federation means occurs when a server accepts a connection from a peer after the identity of the peer has been verified. Encrypted federation means a server accepts a connection from a peer if and only if the peer supports transport layer security as defined for XMPP in request for comments. Trusted federation means a server accepts a connection from peer only under the stipulation that the peer supports TLS and the peer can present a digital certificate issued by root certificate authority that trusted by the authority server. Cloud consists of all the users, devices, services and applications connected to the network. Participant needs the ability to find other entities of interest. Entities might be end users, multi-user chat rooms, real-time content feeds, user directories, data relays, messaging gateway, etc. Finding these entities is process called discovery. Thank you.